Are you tired of spending countless hours building social media user interfaces from scratch? Struggling to create a sleek, modern look, especially with a professional dark mode? Developing high-quality social app interfaces can often become a huge time sink for developers. Imagine launching your social app faster with a stunning and truly professional design. Introducing the React Native Social UI Pack, your ultimate shortcut to a beautiful application. This pack provides a comprehensive collection of pre-built screens ready for immediate use. It is meticulously designed to accelerate your development process significantly, saving you valuable time. Stop reinventing the wheel and dedicate your focus to your app's unique core logic and features. You get over 15 meticulously crafted unique screens right out of the box. These include essential elements like engaging user profiles, dynamic social feeds, and comprehensive friend lists. Explore captivating story interfaces, interactive chat screens, and intuitive onboarding flows. Critical components such as authentication, settings, and notification screens are all included and polished. Every single screen comes with full dark mode support, beautifully integrated and ready to impress your users. The pack is fully compatible with both React Native CLI and Expo workflows, offering maximum project flexibility. You will find the code clean, well-organized, and incredibly easy to understand, customize, and extend. Effortlessly adapt colors, fonts, and components to perfectly match your brand's unique identity. Each design is inherently responsive, ensuring a flawless user experience across all device screen sizes. Integration into your existing React Native projects is designed to be straightforward and completely hassle-free. Benefit from a modern, trendy UI that reflects the latest design standards and user expectations. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with guaranteed regular updates and dedicated developer support. Don't let tedious UI development slow down your application launch any longer. Elevate your React Native social application today with the powerful Social UI Pack. Grab your copy now and start building faster, smarter, and with unparalleled quality. You can find the direct link to purchase the Social UI Pack conveniently in the video description below.